Okay, so this particular topic we are going to learn about how to distribute a number that is outside the parentheses so that way we can simplify it if ever we need to. Okay, so this particular problem we're starting with -3 parentheses 6x minus 4. Now, here's what I will do first. I will look at the inside of the parentheses and I'll see that there's nothing in here that I can combine. There are no like terms inside the parentheses. That tells me then that I must go ahead and distribute this number that is on the outside, okay? This particular number right here, which is 3, -3. So here's what I'm going to do. I will multiply this -3 to 6, and therefore I'm going to get an answer of -18x. All I'm going to do is multiply these two numbers right here. Now notice I still have another -3 out there. What am I going to do now? I will still go ahead and distribute that to this one right here. Now when that happens, all that I'm going to do now is again multiply -3 times -4. Again, this -3 times -4, and we know that the answer is +12. I look at this and I say, well, there's no other terms that are the same, therefore this is my simplified form. Now let's proceed to something a little bit more complex. This one right here. A lot of people say 7x, then this 2x minus 3. A lot of people will get confused and do get confused with the fact that this sign right here, again we talked about this before, always belongs to the number that comes after it. So which means that this is really 7x -6 parentheses 2x minus 3. Again, that is 7x. This becomes a -6 parentheses 2x minus 3. Now guess what's going to happen now? I will leave this alone. Now this -6 needs to be distributed or multiplied to that number right here, which will give us -12x. Right? Now, am I finished with my distribution? The answer is no. I still need to distribute again -6 to this number right here. And now look what I've got. I have +18. Now what did I do? Let's completely go back to exactly how we got this. We got -12x by 6, -6 times 2. That's how we got that, 2x. How do we get +18? -6 times -3. That's how we got +18. Now, I do not have any more parentheses, therefore I go back to our old combining like terms, which is circle, circle, and then I box. The two things I need to circle are there, -7x and then -12x, so we know that that's going to give us -5x, and then there's no other box, so therefore I just copy that down. This is the simplified form.